Hello, it's October 17th and it's time for feature release 6.11. In this release for Boozang, we focused mainly on trying to make resources such as video and documentation to be more accessible. So let me start with that. Now, if you go into Boozang and you go into the video page, all the videos are now sorted by categories. Right now, the current categories are getting started, where we have a couple of videos for you to get started easily in Boozang. And actually, even if you're an advanced user, I would recommend you to check them out because they do touch on some interesting new functionality. We also have the feature videos, and of course here, it's only one video right now. This will be filled with all the feature videos from the YouTube channel tomorrow or the day after. We have the Udemy section, which has all the videos that are also accessible in Udemy, and we also have the videos for the individual releases as well, where you can get information, this video here, right? So that's one of the things. We also added the official documentation in the header link, and as usual, you can find the blog. Under the blog link, there will be some new content coming soon here. Also, what we did was that inside the tool, we revamped our video helper. So right now, if you go into the video helper, you can find videos based on topics, and you can see the YouTube video directly in the tool. That's it for the videos and resources to help you out. Another thing that we did fix, we had a couple of bug fixes going in. One thing that was regarding, the most critical was probably regarding JavaScript, auto correction, and some formatting issues that you could see in the JavaScript editor that we dealt with. We have some very interesting new features and very heavily requested. A lot of people work with CSV a lot, being able to loop over data. So we've now finally launched, if you go into data and you have a CSV, there is now a CSV editor that allows you to add columns and rows into data easily to create data loops. It also enforces, if you have matrix data where you have a primary key, it will also enforce that you don't duplicate any primary keys in your data table. So that's one good thing. Another thing that is useful, as we just launched on the action side, this new advanced feature here. Now when you go into the advanced menu, we now have different tags for the different functionalities, where monitor application URL is a new advanced function that allows you to actually intercept a certain URL, rewrite the URL if needed, or maybe create some custom log. You can basically launch any JavaScript and you can of course trigger it for a specific URL here, either if it's on the API or if maybe you're getting a page redirect. So that's it for, well, one more thing before I leave you here. Now, if I have set something here, which is advanced, you can see the blue dot. You can see the blue dot here. So when I actually disable this, you don't see the blue dot anymore. So when you're searching over your actions, you can easily see if you set something advanced, something behind the scenes. So that's it for 6.11. Looking forward to your feedback.